In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Ruby Tuesday by the Rolling Stones. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
All right, we're going to do a little time traveling today, back to the 60s. The fabulous Rolling Stones, Ruby Tuesday, which I've seen them do live many, many times. Thanks for subscribing, I really appreciate it, and I'd love to hear from you. Any comments you got, or just hit me up with any questions or whatever you got. So this one has some cool chords to it, and it has a great chorus as well. If you're a Stones fan, Ruby Tuesday is one of their iconic tunes. And so it starts out with A minor, G, F, G, C. Then it repeats that. A minor, and it goes up to your G. And the B section goes A minor, D to G, and then again, A minor, D, C, and then it rests on the G, and this sets up the chorus. She comes and goes. So here's the chorus. C. Same thing again. F. And then this is a little change here. C. And then a B flat. F. G. Okay? So those are the chords to the song. Now I'm going to play through it, and I'll show you a couple little moves that are cool to do. So, yesterday, don't matter if it's gone. While the sun is bright, Okay, now I just want to show you a couple of little tricks that I do in there.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
I think the original version had a harpsichord, and as you can tell, the chords are very kind of almost Baroque sounding, which is very, very fitting for the time. I can't think that was on. I can't remember what album that was on. Maybe Satanic Majesty, which was their answer to Sgt. Pepper. So this one, some of the moves I do in here especially is I kind of pick through the little C move is kind of important. So it's you take your second finger on the right here on the D string and bring it up, and then tuck your pinky on the 3rd fret of the D string, which is a C sus, back to a C. So that's a valuable little piece of a little lick there you could add to any time. Almost a harpsichord kind of move there. Do a little G sus. I'm just using my first finger on the B string, 1st fret. That's a little move. And then I just kind of pick through the A minor D to G. I just spell out the chords with my pick. Then it does that C lick again. And then this one I strum. That's a B flat, borrowing a B flat. To F, and then on that G, you'll see that I got my pinky on the G and I leave it there. So that big chorus. And then finally it does a little flute thing at the end. So that takes you all the way back to the 60s for all you Rolling Stones fans. Goodbye, Ruby Tuesday. We'll see you on down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.